The world now comprises numerous gadgets that add an added beauty to the environment of our home. These gadgets enhance the visual effects and give a soothing feel. Hey guys, welcome back to another video from TechBeast, where we will introduce you to some amazing gadgets that will help to boost your interiors and daily life, allowing you to have a better experience for the usual activities you do every day. The link for the products will be available in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you're always up to date with our very best content. Number 11. Music Tesla Coil. The Music Tesla Coil represents the magic and beauty of engineering. For those of you who don't know how this works, the Tesla Coil produces a small lightning effect of a very high voltage, which can be determined by the music that is playing through it. The exquisite craft and beauty modelling makes it suitable for household decorations when it isn't being used. The Music Tesla Coil consists of 3 working modes, which bring you an amazing feeling and sense of vision through the output of this product. This gadget has the function of wireless transmission, loudspeaker, and can play all types of music. This will certainly allow you to have a good time while listening to your music. It can light gaseous tubes and bubbles, which will create a soothing and visible effect as well. All you have to do is plug in the Music Tesla Coil and light the LED bulb, and it will work like a charm. Number 10. Cloud Light. The Interactive Cloud is a unique LED lamp with a design that's inspired by clouds. It provides a soothing experience through its extraordinary ambient lamp and an advanced feature which will make it reactive to sound as well. The Interactive Cloud comprises various modes such as Cloud Mode, which produces fades around the cloud according to the sound frequency, the Music Mode, which fades up to the beat of the music, and the Lightning Mode, which produces lightning at randomly timed intervals. All these modes are suitable for various occasions such as parties, chilling with friends, or having a quiet and peaceful time with yourself. Another type of interactive cloud is the Speaker Cloud, which is an ambient LED lamp with an integrated speaker system. It's a music-activated visual speaker which comes with the visual effect of a thundercloud, which is captured by the supernatural realism. Number 9. LEVITATION Floating Globe. This cool product will make you question if you really need the conventional rotating globe at your place. The LEVITATION Floating Globe is a floating world globe with constellations, each of which is clearly visible. It's an absolute high-tech gadget that people of all ages will enjoy. To have something hovering, levitating, floating, and giving the illusion of anti-gravity is extremely nice to look at, and most of all, to have as a decorative ornament that goes well with any style on your home or office furnishings. This high-tech gadget also comes with an LED light feature that makes it look very cool when turned on in the dark. Once you get the gadget levitating, just give it a little spin with your finger and watch it rotate for an extended period of time. Number 9. Bubble Wall. This gadget is probably the most exciting of the lot. The Bubble Wall is a 4 feet 48-inch indoor water tank that can be used to simulate office and home decor. It's an LED floor lamp and wall fountain at the same time as it consists of a large floor lamp and with 8 changing light colours which provide a unique effect on the appearance of the tank. LED lights change the water colour and the bubbles swim up the tank panels as the pump hums gently. This combination has a soothing, calming effect and stimulates the senses. It offers a wide array of changing colours and it helps to create a more relaxed, calm environment at home or at your office. Download the Play Learn app from the App Store and conveniently control all features from your phone. Illuminate this lamp with your favourite colour and jazz up its mode and speed with a touch of a button. Customise this novelty bubble lamp and make it yours. Number 7. Smart Wi-Fi LED floor lamp for reading. If you're looking for a light that helps you set the mood for reading or some light entertainment, our next gadget is certainly the one for you. The Hue Live floor lamp is the perfect combination of elegance, style and functionality. It also allows you to create the ideal lighting atmosphere in any room. Hue Live Smart Floor Lamp can be controlled by voice, app and touch. There are 16 million colours and 8 scenes. You can set different scenes in different situations. It also works with Amazon Alexa, Echo and Google Home. You can adjust the brightness of the lamp as you prefer. The maximum brightness will definitely meet your needs. This floor lamp is based on energy-saving designs, so you can also set the timing of your floor lamp so that it will automatically turn off when you sleep deeply. Smart Wi-Fi floor lamp is designed with a simple and modern design. More elegant, suitable for bedrooms, reading rooms, living rooms or offices. You can put it under the sofa, recliner, reading chair, which will also help you save space. Number 6. Essential Oil Diffuser. Our next gadget, the Essential Oil Diffuser, will help you fill your home with natural plant fragrances that are appealing. The oil diffuser helps you to create an ambience and becomes an eye catcher at any space in your house. The unique third look of the diffuser helps to create a vibrant atmosphere in your room with its gradually changing LED light. The Essential Oil Diffuser can change to 7 gradient colours automatically or stay fixed on one colour, creating a calm and soft atmosphere while you're working, sleeping or relaxing. This gadget comes in a variety of unique shapes which is pleasing to the eye. The diffuser automatically shuts off when the water runs out, which saves you the effort of turning it off. Whether you need to enhance your mood in a restful and purified place, or you just need a sense of relaxation from work stress, the oil diffuser is the go-to object for such wishes. Number 5. Anti-Gravity Water Drops Clock. This unique gadget uses basic scientific concepts to create the optical illusion of anti-gravity, that water droplets would go up. It forms an elegant shape and is made of aluminium. In a dim room, the water doesn't actually levitate. It just looks like it's a levitating device because of the frequency of the light to blink. This is an optical illusion. There are 3 modes of illusion. One is water droplets floating upwards, one is hovering briefly in the air, and the other is floating downwards. This gadget can also purify the indoor air using the negative ion generator at the bottom. This stunning water fountain creates a spectacular effect as a decorative item other than acting as a clock and air purifier. Number 4. Speaker UFO. The Speaker UFO is a levitating Bluetooth speaker with an LED light table. The speaker can float on the trumpet-shaped table lamp. How does the speaker actually levitate? To put it simply, it uses an electromagnetic levitation system. Available in 3 different sizes, this gadget contains audio drivers that offer full high-quality stereo sound and allow you to enjoy clear audio with impressive volume. The speaker contains Bluetooth 4.0, which ensures instant pairing and maintains a strong connection up to 32 feet. Greater wireless ranges and a faster Bluetooth connection. The levitating UFO speaker uses wireless charging technology so it can be charged even while levitating. How impressive is that? To top it all off, the built-in LED shining clip allows you to set the mood for listening to music and enjoy your music night. Number 3. DEEPLIGHT 12. The DEEPLIGHT 12 is an infinity mirror art installation that combines the unique properties of light to give you the perception of staring into an infinite abyss of light and colour. It is placed in a geometric 12-sided frame and it has a staggering maximum density for a total of 960 LEDs, which enables it to display dozens of custom-written lighting modules and animations. This gadget probably creates the most unique and extraordinary visual effects using LEDs from this list, and it certainly will leave you and everyone else awestruck. So, if you're looking to have a light that's the centre of attraction at your party, the DEEPLIGHT 12 is the perfect gadget for you. Number 2. Party Light and Disco Ball. This awesome gadget combines the two mainstream party lights to make one product that shows both the effects, which include the dazzling effect of the stage lights and the colourful atmosphere of a disco ball. It allows you to choose from 3 working modes according to your needs, which will help you adjust to different moods for your party. You can place the light on a flat surface or hang it, perfect for a birthday, wedding, dance party, stage decoration, show, bar, club, ballrooms, festivals like Christmases, Halloween, and other event decorations. Whew. This gadget can be controlled using a remote, which makes it easier for you to handle. This gadget would be perfect for your parties, since it rids you of the hassle of buying 2 different lights to lighten up your day. And number 1, the LED floor lamp. This LED floor lamp is a stylish, moderately bright lampshade that gives you a soft, glowing light. 61-inch floor lamp has a classic design and fits perfectly into any room from modern to traditional decor. Its simple yet elegant design makes it easy to place in any room in the house. The overall look and feel of the lamp will make you feel warm and cozy in any room. The average height of the LED bulb gives even light and builds a warm and romantic atmosphere. An alternative to unpleasant overhead lights, the lamp provides soft yet plentiful room lighting to enlighten your indoor. You can turn on one or both bulbs by remote control and choose any colour from the RGB colours of the smart bulbs: red, green, blue, warm white, or any colour mix out of them. It is also dimmable. You can set the comfort brightness as you need it. And that's it for our list. We hope you find the gadgets that suit your needs and help you add beauty to your home. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for such amazing videos which will give you ideas on cool gadgets to make your life better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.